Hello everyone, welcome to Blue Prism Tutorials. As per the request of subscribers, today I am going to tell you about the surface automation concept. Today I am going to working on IRCTC website. By the request of the subscribers, today I am going to tell you how to capture the capture code using surface automation to read the capture code using the OCR technique. In today's tutorial, what we are going to do is we are going to capture the IRCTC capture code and store it into a data items. For that, we are opening Internet Explorer, we are redirecting to IRCTC website, we are reading the capture code from the IRCTC website, and then we are closing the Internet Explorer. That means we are going to work on surface automation concept. So we will capture the capture code, we will read it through OCR technique and store it into the data item. Let's get into the process. Here we are in Object Studio. Firstly, what I am going to do is I am going to spy the IRCTC website first. I am going to work on application modeler. It will ask me to name the application name. So I am going to name it as an IRCTC capture code, and then I'll click on next. I'll choose browser based automation, and then I say that my application has to be launch and execute the file. So I'll provide the I provide the Internet Explorer link, and I have provided the home page of IRCTC website, and I say next and finish the application modeler. So here you can able to see that my application modeler is targeted for IRCTC home page. So in the element, I'll rename it as home page. So I will launch my Internet Explorer with an home page of IRCTC. Now what I will do, I will identify the capture code. So whenever we click on identify, we can able to see that by default it came with a HTML mode. But when we are working with a surface automation, we have to work with a regional mode. So I am clicking Alt to change the mode of spying. So it has been changed to Win32. You can see it in the right top corner, it's in 32 mode. But what we need in region mode. So I am again pressing on Alt button, and again I am pressing on Alt button. Now it's came into the region mode. Whenever it came into the region mode, hold Control and right click on it. Did you notice this? My application modeler is by the home page of the IRCTC website. Now what I have to do is I have to recognize the regions. I have to identify the region. What I have to do is I have to capture the particular region. So this is my capture code. I'll make sure that the particular region is selected accordingly, and I am going to rename this as a capture. And I say apply, and I'll click on OK. Our capture is being recognized. So I'll apply and say OK. Now my turn is to create. Now my turn is to create the flow for the capturing the IRCTC code. For that, what I am doing, I am dragging and dropping a navigation stage, and I'll rename it as launch. Launch web page. So I want to launch the IRCTC website. I say my action as launch. So to launching a web page, it will take some time. So I am going to create a wait stage for this. I am creating an unconditional wait stage of 10 seconds. That means as soon as the web browser is launched, it will wait for 10 seconds until the page get loads. And what I will do is I'll take a reader stage. The reader stage will help us to read the IRCTC capture code from the surface automation concept to data item. So for that I need to take a data item to all the data that I am getting from the capture. So I will rename this as a I'll rename it as a capture text, a type of text. What I will do is I will create an reader stage. In the reader stage, I will read the capture using the OCR technique. Let me maximize this. So whenever you see that this is an option of read text with OCR technique. OCR technique will read the item from the image. For example, if the image is of JPEG pack, so this will read the optical text. So I say OK, and before that I have to store this value into a capture text, and I say OK. So now my turn is to link all these stages. So now let me run my process and check whether I can able to capture the capture code or not. Let me run this from my side. The application is being launched. It is waiting for a conditional wait stage for 10 seconds. Did you notice it is captured the capture code? Let me check that. We have taken the region of MobiKwik. So it is captured from the IRCTC website capture area to our capture code. So it is stored in the data item. So this is how we can able to capture the any sort of capture code using the surface automation. To read that, we can use the read stage through reading an OCR technique. Hope you understood how did we work on IRCTC website. If you had any query how will we use this, you can refer to my previous video of IRCTC login. There I have used the IRCTC capture code for my login process. And thank you for watching my video. If you had any queries, please comment below. And if you had any serious questions, you can drop me a mail at my mail ID that provided below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel because there is many more videos are coming up. And thank you everyone.